So today we are doing fraction of problems, and this is part 1. The first problem says Ella has 22 baby carrots. I'm going to underline that, Ella and 22 baby carrots. And Jackson has 36 baby carrots. Ella eats 1/2 of her carrots, and Jackson eats 1/3 of his. Who ate more carrots? So I'm going to take all this information first and kind of organize it. So I'm going to put E for Ella. And I know that she has 22 carrots. And she's going to eat 1/2 of them. So I'm just going to write that so I can look at my information. And then I have Jackson. And he has 36 baby carrots. And he's going to eat 1/3 of them. So for Ella, she's going to eat 1/2. I'm going to kind of draw these 2 circles here. And if we took the 22 carrots and we cut them in half, this is a quick division problem for us. We take 22 and we cut them into 2 groups because she's eating 1/2 of them. My answer is going to be 11. So we've got 11 in this circle and 11 in this circle. So what you see, there's 22 carrots and she's going to eat 1 of the 2 of them, or 1/2. So I'm going to say that she is eating right here, this circle. She's eating 1/2 of her carrots. So she's eating 11 carrots. I'm going to write eat. That's how many that Ella is eating. Now we have Jackson. And Jackson has 36, but he's eating 1/3 of them. So I'm going to draw 3 circles because it's thirds. We need to split up all of our carrots into 3 groups because he's eating 1/3 of them. So I'm going to do another division problem over here. I'm going to take 36 and I'm going to divide it by 3 because I have 3 groups. And when I do that problem, my answer equals 12. So I have 12 for 1/3, 12 for another third, and 12 for my final third. And when we go back and we look at our problem, he's eating 1 of the 3 groups, 1 of them. So I'm going to kind of highlight, and that one, he's eating 1. So now when I go back to look at my problem, who's eating more carrots? Well, Ella's eating 11 right here, and Jackson's eating 12. So who ate more carrots? Jackson ate more carrots because he ate 12. All right, so I'm going to show you now in a way that is not a story problem, and this is kind of a quick way to do these problems. So I want 1/4 of 30, 1/4 of 30. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to change this really quick to 20, and let's do 1/4 of 20. Okay. So I'm going to take 20, and I'm going to do a division problem first. Take my 20, and I'm going to divide by 4 because I need to separate them into 4 different groups. So kind of like we did before with my circles. So I'm doing 20 divided by 4, and again, this is a quick division problem that we should have memorized. That equals 5. And then I'm going to do 5 times my numerator. 5 times 1, that equals 5. So what I'm really doing when I do 20 divided by 4 and I get 5, each of my circles is going to have 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then my top number, which is my numerator, tells me how many circles I want. So I just want 1. And how many do I have in that circle? 5. All right, I'll go to the next one. 15 divided by 3. So I'm taking that and putting my 15 into 3 groups. 15 divided by 3, that equals 5. Multiply times my numerator, 5 times 1, that equals 5. And that's going to be my answer. And again, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So I have 5 in each circle. My numerator tells me how many circles I want. I want just 1. How many do I have in that circle? 5. All right, my next one coming down here, I have 18. And I'm going to do 18 divided by 3, and that's going to equal 6. Okay, so again, I'm drawing 3 circles because I'm taking 18 divided by 3. I now have 6 in each circle. And then I need to do 6 times 2. That equals 12. And that's going to be my answer, multiplied by my numerator. And again, you're seeing I divided it into 3 groups. Top number tells me how many groups do I want? I want 2 of them. So 6 and 6, that equals 12. All right, the next problem, I'm going to do 10 divided by 5. So I have 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 divided by 5, that equals 2. So I have 2 in each group. And then remember, I'm multiplying times my numerator, which equals 2 times 3 is 6. And again, that's telling me how many of these circles I want. 3 of them. So 1, 2, and 3. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that equals 6. 2 more. All right, I'm going to do 25 divided by 5. And when I do that, 25 divided by 5, that's going to equal 5. And again, my circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. And now I know I have 5 in each. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And now I need to multiply by my numerator. 5 times 2, that equals 10. And again, I'm looking, I want 2 of these. That's what my numerator says. I want 2 of those 5s, which again equals 10. And finally, my last one, 64 divided by 8. So that equals 8. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in there, I each have 8. And if I were to add these all together, they would equal 64. And then don't forget, multiply by my numerator, 8 times 1. That equals 8. And that means I just want one of those circles, which equals 8. All right. And here is your lesson practice.